Male gametophyte which is highly reduced and confined to only limited numbers of cell is called answer pollen grain. Next question, in which phylum the larva is bilaterally symmetrical and the adult have radial symmetry? Answer in Henchodromata. Next question, sexes is separate internal fertilization, oviparous and direct development is seen in case of answer Cilion testudo bangros. Next question, sexual reproduction is of isogames, anisogams and ogogames is answer chlorophysis and phenophysis. Next question, male and female cones are formed on the same tree of answer penis. Next question, the most distinctive feature of anchodrome is answer water vascular system, umbilical system. Answer match the following. Answer column 1, column 2. A is matched with 2, B is matched with 3 and C is matched with 1. Next question, select the total number of marine sponges from the following. Answer, it is 4 number. Question, what are correct for gymnosperms? Answer, they are heterospores. Next question, for chambered heart is present in all except answer calotes. Next question, cell wall of green algae is made up of answer inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of petrochose. Answer another name of cyclone is answer cycapha. Next question, what sequence is correct? Answer cytropily say sporophylls sporangia spores. Next question, animals having cellulose endocrines with organ system level of organization completely marine are answer anhechodromats. Next question, which shed their scales as skin cast? Answer snake lizard. Next question, zoospores are formed during asexual reproduction of algae and formed in answer zoospornesia. Question, which statements are correct for conifers? Answer needle-like leaves to reduce surface area. Second, thick cuticle on leaves. And third, sucane stomata to reduce water losses. Next question, select the total number of statements belonging to sponges. Answer cellular level of organization to body to supported body is supported by endoskeletal made up of spicules or sponges fibers. And third, larva stage is morphological different from adult. And four, pathway of water transport is helpful in gathering of food, respiratory exchange and removal of waste. And five, hermaphrodite organism. And six, they show the power of regeneration. Reptila means answer creeping and crawling mode of locomotion. Next question, pyronoids are located in answer chloroplast. Next question, pincatida is a answer pearl oyster. Next question, pyronoids store answer protein starch. Next question, write a name of freshwater sponge. Answer spongilla. Next question, in size. Answer A, the stem are unbranched. B, the pinnately component leaves parasites for year. And C, have symbiotic association with anto-fixing carbobacteria, cyanobacteria. Next question, select the incorrect matching answer. Aplasis with C, curber. Next question, respiration occur through lungs and skin. Is this correct about reptila? Answer no.